Hello. There's an egg right there. You crack them, you fry them, you eat them almost every single day. But do you actually know where your eggs come from? Hi, I'm John, and welcome to 9 to 12. Today, I'm going inside Chu's egg farm to find out how up to 1 million eggs are produced every single day. Let's get cracking. Before going anywhere near the chickens, I first have to get disinfected from head to toe and suited up. All to protect the chickens from us, not the other way around. So, the lay house. I assume it's called that because this is where the chickens lay their eggs?
Yes, exactly. This is where the adult hens lay their eggs.
Hello, ladies. Everything here is automated, is that right?
Yes, almost everything in this system is automated, from the feed delivery, water delivery, waste collection, egg collection.
How are the eggs collected?
Behind the orange flaps are the nest boxes. That's where our hens go in to lay their eggs. They get comfortable, they lay their eggs, and that's where the conveyor will put the eggs out without disturbing any of the birds.
Did you know each hen here at Chu's Egg Farm will produce about 300 eggs? That's a whole lot of omelets.
Let's get to know our birds a little bit.
Okay. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Hello. It's like a little foot massage. Oh, that was fascinating. Next, let's head to the egg room where all the eggs are sorted and processed before being sent out. I can see why this is called the egg room.
This is where we process all our eggs. We put them through a series of checks.
This is the crack detection machine.
It's a very cool piece of technology. It's using sonar. So every egg will get tapped multiple times, and then the machine will measure the echoes that bounce back. If the echo is off, the echo is weird, it usually means that there's a crack in the eggshell.
So it's like how a whale or a dolphin communicates underwater, kind of a thing.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
So, and then I'm guessing part of this is sterilization and cleaning and stuff?
Yes, we do UV disinfection. On top of that, we don't do any treatment to our eggs.
Ah, okay, so I still need to wash my eggs at home.
No, John, you don't need to wash your eggs.
Oh. Did you know you don't actually have to wash your eggs before storing them? There's a natural protective layer on the shell of the eggs, and once you wash that off, bacteria can get introduced. You can, however, wash them before consuming them. So, what else goes on in the egg room?
Well, over here, one of the last steps is to weigh each egg. And after that, they are individually stamped so that we know where they are from and when they are produced.
So, from the eggs that we see here, how soon can someone purchase them at a supermarket?
Well, the eggs will reach the supermarket within 24 hours of being laid. So the eggs that we just saw earlier, you can pick them up at your nearest supermarket tomorrow.
Great, looking forward to it. All right, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.
Thank you, John.
Bye-bye. From the disinfectant spray at the entrance to the UV treatment at the end, all of these processes exist for one reason: to make sure the egg that you eat at home is as safe to consume as possible. You don't see this when you buy it at a supermarket, but it's there. Up to 1 million eggs a day, and a process so meticulous that every single one of them can be traced back to where it came from. So here's my question. The next time you have breakfast, can you guess where each ingredient came from? See you next time on 9 to 12. That was higher than I expected. Scary.